News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Deoghar, Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Mysore, Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Delhi Public Library, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, Forensic Science Laboratory, Delhi, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Safdarjung Hospital and Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, New Delhi, and Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Deoghar is one of the apex healthcare institutes being established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, which planned to set up new AIIMS institutions in quality tertiary level healthcare in the country and in attaining self-sufficiency in graduate and postgraduate medical education and training. These institutions are being established by an Act of Parliament on the lines of the original All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, which imparts both undergraduate and postgraduate medical education in all its branches and related fields. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Deoghar invites online applications for the faculty post on direct recruitment or deputation basis in various departments. The detailed advertisement and online application forms are available on the website aimspatna.org. Details regarding advertisement are also available on www.aimsdeoghar.edu.in/www.pmssymohfw.nic.in. Last date for submission of online application is 30 days from advertisement in Employment News. Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Mysuru invites online applications from eligible candidates for the following posts in RMP/BARC, Mysuru and Chalakere, Chitradurga district. 11 posts of stipendiary trainees Category 1, 36 posts of stipendiary trainees Category 2, 1 post of technician/B boiler attendant and 12 posts of work assistant. Applications will be accepted online only. Facility for online application will be available from 4th January 2021 to 22nd January 2021. For detailed information and online submission of application, please visit the website www.recruit.barc.gov.in. For any other queries and assistance, please contact on the email ID rectmys@barc.gov.in. Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga is an autonomous institution fully funded by Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga is a focal institute for planning, training, promotion and coordination of yoga education, training, therapy and research in all its aspects. Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga invites applications on deputation including short-term contract basis for filling up 1 post of program officer, certification and accreditation. Willing and eligible officers should send their applications for the post in the prescribed format through the Cadre Controlling Authority addressed to the concerned person within 45 days from the date of publication of this circular in Employment News. The vacancy circular and proforma can also be downloaded from Institute's website www.yogamdniy.nic.in. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Library and Information Officer in the Delhi Public Library, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India by composite method of promotion or deputation including short-term contract. The applications complete in all respects should be sent to the concerned person so as to reach within a period of 30 days from the date of publication of the notification in Employment News. Detailed terms and conditions, requirement of educational qualifications, experience, age and job requirement, etc. are available at library's website www.dpl.gov.in. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India invites applications for filling up the following post on deputation, including short-term contract on foreign service terms basis from officers holding regular post in central government or state government or union territories or universities or recognized research institutions or public sector undertakings or semi-government or statutory organizations or autonomous organizations. 1 post of Executive Director and 2 posts of Joint Director, Admin and Finance. The detailed information regarding qualification, experience, etc. is available under Jobs at FSSAI Careers section on the website www.fssai.gov.in. The last date to apply online is 15th January 2021. Forensic Science Laboratory, Delhi, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi invites applications from willing and eligible candidates working under the central, state governments, union territories or municipal corporation of the metropolitan cities and other well-established forensic science laboratories for filling up various posts of Assistant Director and Senior Scientific Officer in various disciplines on deputation, including short-term contract. Circular for this vacancy along with the application form and other eligibility conditions are available at the website home.delhi.gov.in. The application in the prescribed format, completed in all respects along with the supporting documents as required in the circular, may be sent through proper channels so as to reach the concerned person within 2 months from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Those applicants who have already applied in respect of earlier advertisement published in the daily newspaper on 10th September 2019 and 3rd July 2020 need not apply again. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India proposes to fill up the post of advisor in its regional offices at Kolkata and Bengaluru on deputation on foreign service terms. Last date for receipt of applications is up to 31st January 2021. Further details and application form can be obtained from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India website www.trai.gov.in. Safdarjung Hospital and Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, New Delhi invites applications for filling up the post of Chief Nursing Officer on deputation. The prescribed format for applying along with the details of post, eligibility criteria and other terms and conditions shall be available on the hospital website www.vmmcsjh.nic.in. Candidates are requested to apply within 60 days of time from the date of publication of advertisement and visit official website of this institution regularly for further notifications. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare invites applications for filling up 1 post of Junior Administrative Officer in Central Drugs Laboratory, Kolkata by transfer on deputation from the officers under central or state governments. Eligible and interested persons may apply through proper channel on the proforma given. The applications should reach the concerned person within 45 days of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.